Happy morning, Somshekhar garu.
Sir, very happy morning.
Happy morning, happy morning. How are you?
Sir, fine.
Good. Yeah. All is well, Andy. So, మీరు ఇంకా రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకున్నట్లేరు మీరు మన ఎంపవర్ దీంట్లో?
లేదు, చేసుకోలేదు సార్. అది
అదే.
అంటే ఆ లింక్ కోసం చూస్తున్నాను. లింక్ దొరకలేదు నాకు.
ఓకే. యామిని మీకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టింటారే రిజిస్టర్ కి?
లేదు సార్.
Happy morning, Nandakumar sir. Happy morning, Elumalai sir.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning to all.
Yeah. Thank you for joining 6 a.m. club. So, would you like to take the lead, sir? Nandakumar sir, would you like to start? Yeah, I think
yes, sir.
Still Tanlakshmi ma'am and Yamini, they are yet to join. So once Yamini has also joined. Would you like to join, or shall we ask Yamini to start?
Yamini can do it, sir.
Yeah, together. Anyhow, we are all going to do it together.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If nobody is there, then I will continue.
Yeah. So how about Yamini? Would you like to start, or shall we ask Nandakumar sir to start?
Anyway, it's fine. If sir is willing to do, let him do. I'll do it tomorrow.
See, sir is also saying the same thing. So yeah, better you all together can do something. So each one can take some part and you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how we can do, because we have many activities, right? So each one can. Yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah. Lead it. So you can lead it till the what is that? Whoever
smiley
starts,
challenge.
you can. The first part can be like till the smiley challenge, and second part will be like from the after that superb drawing and all the exercises. Let it be like 3 parts. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, Nandakumar sir, நீங்க இன்னைக்கு மட்டும் first part பண்ணுங்க சார். நான் சாரோட வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு நான் நாளையில இருந்து பண்றேன்.
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you. Happy morning to all.
Happy morning,
very
sir.
happy to see you all, and the
morning,
6
sir.
a.m. club happiness dose. Are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Good. Are you all happy?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Very happy to hear that you're all happy. But generally, people say that the happiness only from their tongue, not from the wholehearted. That is the reason why this 6 a.m. Happiness Club was started by Mani sir, and it is going on. Let us see the statistics of how people live. 1 in 5 is feeling low due to mental stigma. So let's see the statistics, what it says. 45 million people are suffering, that is what it says, and there are 16% affected with mental health issues, but still they are all living, and 98% lie they are happy when we ask how are you. So most of the time, even I myself, when someone asks how are you, I say yeah, I'm very fine, I feel very happy. But only from the time, now only we started, I started realizing some of the activities when we do it, we really feel happy. That is the real happiness I'm realizing. I hope that after attending this program, that transformation and that kind of a real feel of happiness, we can feel it from wholeheartedly. And 74% Indians are in stress. That is the statistics it says. And 88% are in worries. The worries which they cannot change at all. Simply they will be worrying about some of the incidents or events which they cannot change. And at a whole, 150 million Indians required mental health support. Mental health support. That is the reason Mani sir has started this empowering and this happiness club. So let's move on to next slide. Yes, in happiness index as a whole in this world, there are 149 countries. The happiness index was assessed. Out of that, the India stands in 139th rank. So there are many countries ahead of it. If you take Pakistan, Bhutan, all are happier than Indians. So that is what this club was started, and that is the reason we are all doing our happiness dose. By hacking the happiness dose, we can keep ourselves happy. So let us see what are all that four important chemicals, happiness chemicals, how we can hack. The first chemical is dopamine, the reward chemical. So completing some tasks or doing self-care activities or eating the food and celebrating little wins. These are all the activities which will improve our dopamine and rewarding chemical. So especially the food what we eat. So generally we eat whatever the food we get. That's not right. We should love to eat the food, and we should eat the food which we love. So that has made us to change our attitude while eating. So now I prefer to eat the lovable food which really I feel happy. Then the second one is serotonin, the mood stabilizer. So we can hack by doing few activities like meditating, running, sun exposure, walking in nature, swimming, cycling. These are all the activities which will improve our mood stabilizer, and we can hack the serotonin by doing these activities. And then third one is oxytocin. Oxytocin is the love hormone. So love hormone we can improve by playing with a dog or playing with a baby or holding a hand and hugging your family members or giving compliments for whatever the activities they do. By doing these activities, we can improve the oxytocin. And then finally the fourth chemical is endorphin, the painkiller. Most of the time, whenever we are feeling pain, headache or knee pain or whatever the pain we feel, just we take pills, painkillers, but it's not required at all. These painkillers will give a lot of side effects. Whereas by doing the following activities like laughter exercise, that is one of the best exercise to relieve the pain. No need of taking any painkillers. Just you can do the laughter exercise or laughing. You can relieve your pain. And eating essential or taking essential oils and watching a comedy shows in TV, or we can crack ourselves jokes with our family members or friends, and eating a dark chocolates and doing exercise. These are all the activities which will improve our endorphin chemical in our body. By doing all this four different number of activities, thereby we can hack the this very useful chemicals. I hope you are all practicing one or two in our day-to-day activity, but I'm doing these activities in my day-to-day activity. That really keeps me happy. So let's move on to the next part, smiley challenge. So smiley challenge is one that whatever the activity we have performed yesterday, or the happiest moment which we uh, done the previous day, that just you uh, recall the happiest moment, bring it in your mind, and then you can feel the happiest moment and feel it on your face with a smiley face. Just imagine how your face will look by recalling that, and then draw it on the air with your pointer finger, so that you can visualize and you can draw it on the air how your smiley face will look by recalling that happiest moment. Just take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes and look at the gadgets. There is a white screen at the bottom left side. You have a tool. Just click that tool and then start drawing the happiest moment as a smiley. As a smiley, just you can draw it by using a different colors, whichever color you would like to use it to express your happiest moment as a smiley face. That's great. Everyone started drawing. So now I could able to see many of you are using different colors. There's a lot of improvement, not only in the drawing, even in our mental status also we feel very happy. So thank you so much, Mani sir, for giving such a wonderful uh, program for us and making us to practice, not only practicing, making us to express whatever we learn. So this is how we feel after learning this happiness dose. We are so happy. All our happy moments are expressed in our drawing. I think everyone has completed. Still, are you all completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much. The whiteboard is filled with 4 different smileys. And thank you so much for making me to smile along with you. So now I request any one of the participants to continue from here. Yamini ma'am, are you ready?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
yes, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So you can finish this superb drawing also, so that the
Okay,
parts
sir.
can be.
Nandkumar sir, அதையும் முடிச்சிருங்க sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So the super drawing or just the activity or the action what you want to do it today to keep yourself happy. just think of one activity which you would like to perform today to keep yourself happy. Whatever the things, generally, by doing, we feel very happy rather than receiving something from others. So just close your eyes, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Think of one of activity which you want to perform today to keep yourself happy. It may be a action to help others, or maybe the place or where you want to visit, so that you can feel happy. So one of the activity which you want to do it today, just think and imagine and visualize those activity. While doing, just breathe in and breathe out and relax and think of that. Visualize that moment which you want to do it today. Just draw it on the air with your pointer finger. So whatever you visualize, that you do it in the air. Just open the eye. In front of you, there are different boxes, 5 different boxes. Underneath, your names are written. Just you can start drawing the activity which you want to perform today. While drawing, just expand your screen so that your box will be to a full screen. It will be easy for you to draw it. And you can start drawing. All drawings will be complemented by our Guru Mani sir. And once if you start drawing, he will give you the tick mark. Yes, already yes, given a tick mark as a appreciation, as a token of appreciation. Thank you, Mani sir, for giving a lovely heart to us. Very happy to see every one of you started drawing.
Sir, is not performed. Mine. I am not able to draw.
Sir, you just lock the mobile and unlock it.
Oh.
Then you can select your pen and select the colors.
Sir, Somsekhar sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you unlock and then open it so that you can able to do it? Can you try it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Mani sir, for giving a golden star and making us to feel star of a person. Thank you.
Sir.
Elumalai sir, உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது difficulty இருக்குங்களா?
Yes, sir. I am not able to draw.
உங்களுக்கு வந்து left side bottom cornerல அந்த ஒரு டூல் இருக்குங்களா, அதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி மறுபடியும் ஓபன் பண்ணி பாருங்க.
He don't know Tamil sir, Nandakumar sir.
Oh, okay. Elumalai sir, just you see on the
Elumalai
screen.
sir. Okay. I was thinking Somsekhar sir. Yeah, you can. Elumalai sir you can நீங்க தமிழ்ல சொல்லலாம், ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல.
Yes. Sir, முடியுதுங்களா இல்ல unlock பண்ணி once again you re-enter? மறுபடியும் செய்யுங்க, உங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த டூல் வந்து ஆக்டிவேட் ஆயிடும். தட்ஸ் கிரேட் சார். சோமசேகர் சார், எக்ஸலென்ட். You got a pen. Yeah, it's great.
Thank you, sir.
ஏழுமலை சார், அதே மாதிரி தான் நீங்க வந்து அந்த டூலை வந்து ஒரு வாட்டி அன்லாக் பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும், அதாவது ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி வெளியே வாங்க, மறுபடியும் வந்து ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி உள்ள வாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறமா அந்த டூலை செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களால வரைய முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏழுமலை சார், முயற்சி பண்ணலாமுங்களா?
சார் நான் இன்னைக்கு தான் நியூவா வந்திருக்கேன், ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு நாளை முன்னாள் நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறேன்.
Right. No problem, sir. No problem. But start practicing or trying. நீங்க முயற்சி பண்ணி பாருங்க. சோமசேகர் சார் வந்து ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. ஜஸ்ட் நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். வரையணும்ட்டு இல்லை, அட்லீஸ்ட் நீங்க அந்த டூலை யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமான்றத முயற்சி பண்ணி பாருங்க.
ஓகே சார், நான் அப்புறம் பேசுறேன்.
Yes. Have you all finished your drawing? Those who have finished, just you can raise your hand. Yes, Yamini ma'am has finished. Thank you. I think the Somsekhar sir is drawing. Yeah, let him draw it.
So while drawing, I would like to share one thing here. So actually, I was just thinking, so whether I did this exercise with the kids actually. So we practiced the same thing 2 years back actually with the kids. So when we started Gurukulam, one of the activity that is called OTP. So we all know OTP, right? So the OTP is a password protection. So to get any authentication, we require that OTP. So we use the same OTP here. So where we will be asking, I encourage our students to use the slates, the slate and slate pencil, because to avoid that paper usage and to improve that thing. So to support Mother Earth, we encourage the slate only. So in the slate, they used to draw whatever they wish to. So they draw what they like and they exchange the slates actually. And after exchanging the slates, each and everyone will share their own interpretation, what actually they drawn. So we call it as OTP, observe, think, and play. That is what we designed it. So all those posts are there in my Facebook page actually. So the same thing here. So I'm just replacing that play. Since it's kids, I made it as a play. Here we are making it as OTP, as observe, think, and predict. Predict with a positive psychology. So this is what.
Yes, sir. Over, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Over, sir.
I'd like to share. Yeah.
Excellent, Mani sir.
Yeah.
Now
Thank you.
also we feel like children like 2 years, 5 years kids to draw it and enjoy the activities.
Exactly. So there are many drawings. I think you can see that. I think if possible, I'll just look at the old posts actually. These are long back posts. Almost 2 years is gone. So I think I can share it if I get it. So you can see how the kids are doing.
Yeah. So nice of it, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. The next activity is we have to, as Mani sir said, we'll have to observe the drawing of others. Say for example, Nandakumar will observe the drawing of Somasekhar and what Somasekhar like to do it. That on my perception I will be expressing. Similarly, Somasekhar sir will observe the drawing of Dhanalakshmi ma'am and he will express the what Dhanalakshmi would like to do it today, and Dhanalakshmi ma'am will express the Yamini ma'am's drawing, and Yamini ma'am will tell about the Nandakumar's drawing. So shall we start? Yes, let me
Yes,
start
sir.
from my end. Yes, let me start from my end. Very good morning, Somasekhar sir.
Good morning, very good morning, sir.
I think you are going to enter into a happy world like heavenly place. And I wish you to have a happiest moment today, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome,
Yeah.
sir. Welcome, sir. Now, Somsekhar sir can comment on the Dhanlakshmi ma'am's drawing.
Yes, ma'am. Tanu Lakshmi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, I think you have gone a brain gym activity, eye moment, like eight shape and a greenery and like some plants are uh, you are searching you're happy at that moment, I think.
Dhanlakshmi ma'am, now you can comment about Yamini ma'am's drawing. What the happiest things you would like to do it today, or the positive thought or action. Dhanlakshmi ma'am, are you there?
Ma, Dhanlakshmi ma.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can go ahead, ma'am.
Yamini ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all. Yamini ma'am, நல்ல வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார்.
அம்மா திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க, எனக்கு சரியா கேட்கல.
காஃபி டீ வச்சு என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க மேம் காலையில.
சூப்பர்மா, சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். தேங்க்யூ மா.
Now Yamini ma'am can comment on the Nandakumar's drawing.
Happy morning, Nandakumar sir. Actually,
Happy morning,
I
ma'am.
think you're a lover of nature, sir. From all your posts, like I think you love nature so much. So
Yeah, thank you.
You can go to a nearby pond, lake, or a river where you have a lot of sands around, and you can just sit and enjoy everything, each and every part of nature, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So looking at the waterfalls or beach or pond or whatever the place, the water really that makes us to keep cool and feel happy, ma'am. So that's the reason.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for all the participants for your active participation and expressing and perceiving something in your mind, that is observe, think, and play. Like observe, think, and you have expressed. Thank you so much. Now, shall we move on to next task? May I request Mr. Yamini ma'am to continue
Yes,
from
sir.
here, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Happy morning, friends. Now we'll move on to the self-appraisal. This is an exercise which you can do once you wake up from bed and before going to bed. What we are going to do here is we are going to appreciate ourselves. How are we going to do this? Take your left hand, keep it on your right shoulder, and take your right hand, tap your left shoulder, and say Shabash, 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 Shabash. We are going to Shabash, Shabash, Shabash,
Shabash,
Shabash.
shabash, shabash.
Can we repeat it one more time? Shabash, Shabash,
Yeah.
Shabash.
Shabash, shabash, shabash.
Shabash, shabash, shabash.
Yeah, this is a thing, like it boosts your mood, you're appreciating yourself, so you'll be happy on doing this. We have to start appreciating from ourselves. When we start with us, that spirit will move on to others. In turn, we'll start appreciating each and every small things of others. Now we'll move on to the next part. We'll move on to the gratitude exercise. Each and every day we are receiving so much from others, like let it be the internet, let it be the mobile, so much we are blessed with. So many people around we are blessed with. Let us express our heartfelt gratitude to them For that, what we are going to do, how we are going to express our gratitude is, let us take both our hands, stretch our hands in front of us, reverse your palm, just collect all the unconditional love from the universe, grab it tight, all the unconditional love, you grab it tight. Now twist and bring your hands down, twist and bring it up, let it be closer to your heart, below your chin. Let us close our eyes. We are going to thank everyone and everything for making us so happy. When we are doing this exercise, we'll do abdominal breathing, inhale and exhale. When I say one, let us inhale, and when I say two, we'll exhale. We'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just feeling the attitude of gratitude, let us slowly release our hands and let us move on to the self-heart. For this, take both your hands, spread your hands wide open, lift your head up, take a long deep breath, inhale, and then start exhaling slowly. When you exhale, bring your hands closer and hug yourself. Hug each and every cell of your body and express your love and gratitude to it. It is with the help of your body and with your soul, we are able to perform so many tasks. Let us love ourselves. Let us love ourselves. Now, slowly release your hands, stretch your hands, raise your head. Now, exhale slowly and hug yourself this time. Yourself so tightly. This is an exercise which you can do whenever you're feeling stressed out. You can do it as many times as you want until you're ready. Just love yourself with a hug. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. We'll go on to the happy task of the day. Just after completing the happiness dose, let us take any one small task which when completed you'll feel happy. Let it be doing your morning exercise, let it be your prayer, let it be going for a walk, let it be cooking, whatever you love the most. Take a small task, try to complete it, and just feel how happy you are after completing the task mindfully. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Now we'll go to the alphabet laughing exercise. This is actually a therapy. So as Manisara usually says, we are going to learn the alphabets as if we are nursery kids. We'll learn the alphabets. First, we'll practice the alphabets. Then we'll move on to the alphabet song. And thirdly, we will move on to the villain laughter. First is the learning the alphabets. We have the laughing master. You can see the laughing master on screen. He is there to monitor us whether we are laughing or not. So if you don't laugh, he'll come, hug, kiss and kick you like anything. And if you are injured, he's ready with his plasters to heal you. So we'll start. Are you all ready to sing the laughing alphabet song?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Super, super. We'll start with the alphabets. A, A,
Ha, 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 ha.
A,
Ha,
I, I,
hi, hi, hi.
When you're telling the alphabets, let us all be as expressive as we can. Let us move our body, move our head, be so happy and expressive. We'll move to the next one. Ooh, ooh,
Oh, oh,
eh, eh,
hey, hey.
I,
Hey,
oh, oh,
oh,
ooh,
oh,
oh, oh,
oh, oh,
ow,
oh,
aha,
aha,
ha, ha, ha.
ha, ha, ha.
That was so nice. But now we'll move to the song, singing part of it. This has been adapted from the Maya Bazaar song. So we'll do the singing part of it. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Hoo 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 hoo. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha how ha how ha how. Ha hum ha hum ha ha ha. Ha hum ha 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 ha. Wow, that's nice. Wow. We'll move on to the next part. That is the villain laughter. Smiling is different from laughing. Smiling is just put up in your smile. Laughing is you engage all your facial muscles when you're laughing. So let us do the villain laughter. Wow. Now let us raise both our hands. Let us laugh out loud, releasing all our stress. Let all our stress come out through our laughter. Let us do that exercise. The laughing master has grown up in size, so listening to all our laughters. Thank you, friends. Thank you for giving us your smiles. We'll move on to the next exercise. Now, these are the tiny tasks which we can perform every day. Like this is a random acts of kindness to bring smileys. You can either hug a tree and feel like the liveliness in the tree. You can use a cloth bag instead of a plastic bag to save the environment. You can feed the animals nearby. You can thank someone wholeheartedly. You'll be so happy if you play with kids, so you can do that. You can keep your mobile away from you for 1 hour and observe how you feel during that time. You can water the plants, giving them life. If you walk for 1 kilometer, it's good for your health. You can do that. You can keep water bowl for the birds. We can help senior citizens. We can help them in any possible way. We can create a plastic-free zone. We can share our meal with someone who's less privileged or who is in need. These small random acts of kindness, they bring us so much of happiness. You can do one thing or all the things and you can just post it in our group like how you felt, so that it will be a great motivation for others. We can see Nandakumar sir and Dhanalakshmi Amma doing every day, like they are hugging the tree, they are feeding the animals. So we can post it in our group to motivate others so that they'll also be happy. Now we'll move on to the next part. Thank you for smiling today. Thank you. Let us spread this smile to all the people around us, to our family members, to our neighborhood. Let us be happy and let us make others happy too. Thank you, friends. Thank you for joining today's session. Wishing that, hoping to meet you all tomorrow. Thank you, friends. Thank you, Maniana, for bringing us together and making us happy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you all.
Yamini.
Thank you,
Thank
Mani
you for
sir.
leading. Thank you, Nandakumar sir. I request all of you to register in our Empower thing. So Yamini, please send the link again, not the ID link, that Airtable link. So send
Okay,
it
now,
in the
sure.
group so that many people are not registered. Even the Nandakumar
Okay.
sir also. So I think,
Yes, sir.
Today.
yeah.
Thank you, sir. Today,
Once
today
you
will reach.
register, I think we can track all your attendance and your reflection score. We'll be publishing the reflection score. So
Okay.
Sure.
we can
Okay,
add
okay,
it
sir. Thank
only
you.
when you are registered. So
Yeah,
make
Sure.
sure you
Right.
send it today and we'll get it done. Yeah. Thank you.
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
make it
Thank you.
great
Thank you.
and satisfied.